Okay, I had a few questions on assignment 7.3. I'm going to see if I can give you some hints here as you're working on it. Maybe some of you have finished 7.3 already, or as the news of the snow day came in last night and you were working on it, you decided to put it off till tonight. So here you are. Here we are. We got school tomorrow. Probably very little chance of a snow day. So let's just look at this one. On number 2, I think the key here is knowing that you've got parallel lines and you've got a transversal here, right? You got a transversal here with these parallel lines. And if you outline the parallel lines on the transversal, you'll see this Z shape that we're familiar with parallel lines on a transversal. And we know that these are alternate interior angles, okay? I think if you were to use that and to find A, and you apply that also to find some angles in here, right? That'll help you to find C. And then you're left to find B, right? But this is an isosceles trapezoid, so base angles are congruent. So you should also be looking at the fact that either adding B plus A equals this, or B plus A is supplementary to this to find angle. Oh, I guess you didn't have to actually find angle D, right? A, B, and C. Oh, well, you may need angle D to find B, or you need to realize that these two are base angles. Okay. Number 5, cross section. So we got another isosceles trapezoid, and the height of the attic is 9. So this is 9 here. And BC is 12. We have that labeled here. This is 12 right here. Okay. And what you want to notice is, if you're having trouble with this one, is if you drop this other perpendicular line, right, you're going to have what is a rectangle here. So this right here is also 12. And that helps you find, if you know this is 28, that should help you find this little piece and this little piece, right? These two little blue pieces, if you call them X, you should be able to find X. Okay. And once you find X, then you have this triangle right here, which is a right triangle. Apply Pythagorean theorem and you should be good to go. Number 8, you're given 20 is here and 30 is here. You're given a measure of a base angle is 60 degrees, which must be this one. Well, because it's also this one. These are congruent, right? And we're looking for FG, which is right here. And again, it may behoove you to drop the perpendicular so we get a right triangle here, right? And that is a special right triangle. That is a special triangle that we know about, and I'm still not drawing it well. So we have a triangle that looks like this, and this is 60 degrees. And doing something similar to what we did on number 5, right? You're going to cut this off here, right, by dropping another perpendicular, right? So you got 20 here. If you call this X and this X, you should be able to find this. And then this side is related to this side by our 30-60 right triangle relationship, okay? Number 9, given an isosceles trapezoid KLMN. KL is 16. The altitude is 12. That's this height right here. Angle M is 65 degrees. I gave you 65 degrees instead of it being 60. And we're looking for MN. Now, kind of going backwards is what we did on the other ones. If you're looking for MN, you know that if you drop this perpendicular, you have this part being the same as 16 up here, right? So you should be able to find these little pieces somehow. So we're kind of going backwards. Now, since we know this is 65, this is 65, and you should be able to use something that you know that starts with trigo and ends in metri. I don't know what that is. Maybe you could put that together to find x. But then just remember that there's two of them. There's one there, one there. And in total, this has to be whatever this plus this plus this is. Okay. And you're rounding to the nearest tenth. Don't forget that. And the answer should be in inches. Okay. That should give you enough hints on these ones.